we choose to join the Startup Innovation Program because we wanted a little bit to get out of the box and trying to do a little bit more strategy and getting out of the operational stuff, so that to be sure that we're again bringing something new to our company. And so this was absolutely perfect because the program let us understood what is our weaknesses and how we can trying to fix them quickly. So that drives new objective, new KPI, new element to think about, and it really helps us to structure again different strategic axes that will bring the best for the company for sure. So thank you very much for that. The Startup Innovation Program was really great and helpful, and it's a kind of, I would say, barely a new start from our company thanks to this program.